Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be lowering the EG with Michael. Say hello.
Hello.
He says hello.
Hello.
So we've got some, what we've got, Pro Sport coilovers. So we're going to slam this as low as we can go. Hey, hang on a minute, let's have a look. So this is our eBay Spec. So these apparently can lower the EG, well, apparently 70mm, and there's a big gap there, man. Watch this. Look at that, goes right in. No messing about. So today, that's what we're going to be aiming to do, is getting the EG lowered. To show the front as well. And then we've got some lower control arms as well, which were kindly donated by Ben, who was with us on the dyno day. So there's Gilly just putting the nuts back on the drum there.
On the invisible wheel.
Yeah, so got the car jacked up, just going to put the axle stands underneath. What we need to do off the stock suspension is get the top hats and put them onto these. So the back two. These low control arms actually had to drill the holes a little bit bigger for the bolt. I think those originally 10mm, doesn't fit. So boom. Happy days. So yeah, let's blast it with some Dub D. So all we're going to do, take this 40mm bolt off here, and then this 40mm bolt there, two at the top, and then drop the strut, because this will probably be locked up anyway in the bushing. It might not be, we're not using that bolt anyway, and then it'll just drop out as one, and then we can put the new arm in hopefully straight away. Yeah, probably. Get it. Cool.
That's one. Robbie.
Am I on there? So Gilly's going to catch it. I'm going to undo these 14s on the top. Done. As easy as that. Let's have a look at the
arm as well.
Yeah. But
makes life easy.
These are the bushes, man. Shot to shit. Not
Stop
bad.
Life.
Yeah. Not bad for a 25-year-old car, I guess. So this is what we need to take off. Need to take that top bit off there, and then put it onto this one, and then we'll just connect the low control arm onto the shock, and then get it back in the car. Right, so we've taken the top off. Look, now that's warm, Gil. So they will go on to the top of the spring. These weren't very good, so Gilly did it the pro way. Do you want to show him how you did it?
Well, just get the gun on the end of it, put it from here, and then just gently.
Gently. I hid round here like a fucking chicken, so he did that. We'll get him on now. Right, so there we go. Low control arm on. We've got the top mount onto the spring. There's no a preload to set. Basically get the hat on. Well, this is what we assume anyway, and then what we'll do is obviously get all this up same way it came out, then basically adjust the height by winding these up, and then the driver's side, we'll just do that anyway, and then we'll move on to the front. So we'll just stick the camera on, and then Gilly, if you won't mind passing that up, my young Jedi. Just watch me paint work. Ah. If you can see, I've been trial running the black theme in here. I'll just gun them up. Right, and there you go. Put some copper grease on them as well, just to make sure. Got the bolts down here as well. Put a bit of copper grease on, save yourself some hassle in the future. And then we'll just get one of them in. We'll probably have to jack the car up slightly. Not jack the car up, but jack the arm up so that we can get them in. What do you fancy doing first, far one or?
Well, this one's nearly in it. Might have to. Ah, there we go. Let me.
Do you want some WD so it slips? Do you want a bit of lube, mate? It's like fucking. Oh, she's tight. Go on, girl. Go on, girl.
Send it.
Should I just do a couple of ugga-duggers with a gun?
No, we'll get that one in, lad.
Alright.
It's near enough lined up at that. There you go. Sweet.
Booyah. I'll just knit these up now. You can have any brew you want, as long as it's a Corona. Name the movie. Ah. So it's the next day. We ended up last night playing in the sand pit. Gilly did a bit of painting with sand, and then we played in the pink car. But what we noticed is these actual springs or coilovers work a different way. You've got to kind of wind them down to get your height, adjust the height of the car. So what we're doing now is just lowering the car by dropping the springs. Bit of a weird one, but yeah, so gonna alter that and then we'll reveal how low we go. Right, at the moment of truth.
Win, Mummy.
What are you doing?
You win, Mummy.
Ready?
Yeah, do it. Let's have a look.
See if it does out. Lower?
No. There you go. Just wants to be cool. Yeah, that's the shocks maxed out.
The price.
So just took the Civic just down the road, down a private track, and it's dropped. So it looks all right, doesn't it, Gil?
Yeah, it looks.
So I'll just quickly show you that. So I guess it's going to settle, and then we'll drop the front end as well. And I think once we drop the front end, it'll sit a lot better as well, because at the moment it's just doing a wheelie. I'll show you it. It's pretty funny, to be fair. So as you can see, well, it's hard to see actually. I've got no room, but if you look at the back, there's no gap there now. And if we do the old shoe test, that ain't going in. So that's exactly what we want. So we'll crack on and do the front now and sort this gap out. Again, we've got the car jacked up, so we're just taking the top ball joint off, even though you can't see it up there. Just removing that. And then there's a nut down here as well. So that's 17, I think.
And then obviously you've got to split the middle as well.
Yeah, here's a bolt, split that, then the shock should just come out. We're hoping, not done it before. And then this side wheel's off. I did this all by myself. It's the same again, take the split pin out and then take that nut off, and same again. But I think what I'm going to have to do at a later date is replace the track rod ends, because the boots are quite perish, if you can see that. Just and then nut, it's like proper corroded as well, so you'll not get that off. Probably just have to cut it off. And that looks it. I mean, these brakes almost brand new. They've only seen about 2,000 miles on them. Take the calipers off, give them paint as well at a later date. So that's it all pretty much taken apart. So what we said that we're going to take off, we're taking off. Just got the 14mm on the gun. So take the top ones off. Oh, help if I took the nut away, wouldn't it? One just a shock, 2 new. So we're going to do, take that off there, stick it onto the fresh coilovers, and then that can go back in. What I think I'm going to do just quickly, while we're in here, just clean that up. Lick of paint, it's a little bit tired and a bit sorry for itself, so let's do that. Right, so a bit of an update. Got the hat on, the new shock. We also took off this little bracket over here, which I've been spraying up. That's where your brake lines go on, that bottom, that horseshoe, whatever you want to call it. Just spraying them with some extra primer, cleaning them up, and then just going to spray them gloss black, and then that'll go back on the shock. So there's the springs pretty much in, or the coilover should I say. So just got that this top tie to do. 17mm bolt down here done up. Got a little 12mm holding the brake line on. 14mm at the back here, obviously holding the horseshoe on. Yeah, and that's these bits painted that I did. So I just quickly wang this back up, and then this side's done. And then we'll just finish the other side. So. Well, that's the front end done, so Gilly's just putting the wheel on, so don't worry, I have been doing some work as well, by the way. Ain't just been Gilly. Yeah, so get that wheel on, drop her down, see what she looks like. Let's do it, let's see what she looks like. She's going. Oh yeah, that's some lows. We might have to raise that a little bit.
I don't know, it doesn't look that bad, lad.
Yeah, but the other side dropped, didn't it? What do you reckon?
Send it.
Sick. Yeah, it's pretty low, but yeah, we'll see. Wowzers. He says that now. Right, what I'll go and do is get it off the drive, just take it up and down the road, and then see if it beds in anymore. Right, take two. We've like increased the height by 20mm just because it was rubbing when I was going down the road. So Gilly, if you would. let's have a look. Yeah, I think that's livable. It probably settled a little bit, but yeah, it's a lot better than it was. So I'm just going to take this down the road and see what's up. The back's fine. So yeah, I think it looks pretty cool, to be fair. So that's it, we're all done, finished. Show you what it's like. There you go, all lowered. Looks mint, no rubbing either, so looks bang on. Yeah, so like I say, these are a budget like coilover kit off eBay, 195 quid, but you know, it's supposed to be in a budget build anyway. That's why we're doing it. So yeah, we'll see what they're like on track. Like I say, there's going to be, you know, a lot more content as well, because I'm going to do a few bits to the tie rods and all the rest of it. And what else am I going to do? Oh, I've got to do a service as well.
Turbo kit.
Oh, turbo kit as well. Been looking at getting a turbo kit for this now. Did I say, you know, what should I do? K20 and put a B16 in, or turbo this? Well, I've actually seen the turbo kit not far away, so I was going to look at it today, but obviously been messing about with this, so I'll probably have a look at it in a week. That's if it's not sold. And yeah, that's all I'm going to do. Just going to get ready for the 12th. So 12th of September, it's going on a track, Blyton Park. So if anybody is booked on there, I'll see you there. If not, then obviously I'll be doing videos of it going around the track. Big thank you to Michael. He's got a headache now, fucking messing about with Hondas on a Sunday. But I hope you guys are staying safe. Obviously look out for future videos of this. Bits are on order for the tyre as well. Don't know if you're familiar with the EP3, but ran out of fuel on the dyno, so got a load of kit coming from America. So hopefully that should be with us next week. That's coming from XO Racing, so thanks to Matt again. Yeah, so I love you and leave you. Take care guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.